Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the AirPods Max. Yes, I bought AirPods Max in 2024. I've been on and off thinking about getting these for a long time now, and I'll see them on sale and be like, not really. And then I'll see them on sale or regular price and they won't have the color I want. Well, they weren't on sale now, of course, but they had the color I want. So I'm like, you know what, I use AirPods all the time. I'm always watching YouTube on my Mac or my iPad, or whatever the case may be. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and finally pick a pair up. And, you know, they're outdated. They're due for an upgrade. And what a better way to get Apple to release a new product than to buy it now. And, you know, new AirPods will probably come out next month. So we'll see. But just to show how outdated these are in terms of Apple products and stuff like that, they are still plastic wrapped. Which, if you guys know, for the past like year or two, they just have pull tabs, no plastic. So, and these are apparently probably so old that the pull tab didn't even work. Never had AirPods Max. Excuse me. But first try, so we'll see how it goes. Here they are. They are pretty nice. They've got the little smart case right here, which is wrapped in plastic or paper. So this kind of just protects the ear cups and also puts them to sleep when you put them in here. Let's see. So pulling them out, we do have little cardboard things on the ear cups here, like so. We do have a button here and then a crown, which is also a button and it turns. Let's see here, it is in pairing mode. I'll get my iPhone in a second and pair them. Not too sure which the... Oh, okay, that is the right side, so the button side is the right side. Let's see, let's adjust them a little bit. Very nice adjustment. They feel pretty good. So let me get my phone here and just put it next to it here. And just like every other Apple product, they do pair instantly. Got a green light down here on the headphones. Alright, so that is the noise control switch to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Media and call control. So press to play and pause, turn for volume. And then you can do it in Control Center. So, they are 73% charged. So that is AirPods Max in 2024. I did pick up a pair. Yes, they still use lightning. Ew. But, you know, they feel like nice headphones. So, I'm going to go watch some YouTube and try these out. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. As always, Colin here with Techout.